Hello everybody, CW here. I got a box today from Don TreesaBlowin, and he sent us some brass. I figured I'd just do an opening unboxing here real quick. I think I know what he was sending me. Yeah, some 3030 brass and some 3006 brass, if I'm not mistaken. Yes sirree. Thank you, sir. Most appreciated. Always put brass to good use. Looks like we got GFI 3030, and I don't know what this is, probably mixed. See, there's some military in here, but I'll go through it. Most appreciated. Thank you, sir. Arrived quickly and safely in a well-packaged box. There we go. I hope to see everybody tonight on the chat, Georgia Shooting Connection, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tune in and join in the conversation. God bless everybody. CW out.